Access. Hi guys, good evening. Can you hear me? Hello. Anyone please respond?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yeah, thank you. So let us start today's session. So today day 2. Day 2 session. So yesterday's session, 1 second, just a minute. Yeah. So day 1, yesterday's session. Yes, all the introductions about course. Nothing discussed yesterday. Just only introduction discussed yesterday. So today starting actual classes. So yesterday, so first of all about myself, and next about your course, and then course contents. Next, what is prerequisite to learn this course? So these things have been discussed yesterday. So these are the topics. It's very simple. So nothing discussed yesterday. Completely course information explained simply. Simply given course information. So all introductions only. Let me review this. Yes, I think some new students today. So for them, just 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, I'll repeat all this. So first of all, about myself. Yeah, this is Nageswar Rao, well-known trainer for Java. Yes. So most of the students calling us MN Rao. So MN Rao, yes, its name. Most of students calling us MN Rao, having 20 plus years of experience. 20 plus years of experience as a Java full stack developer. Yes, next big data Hadoop Python. Next Linux area, databases like Oracle, MySQL, UI technologies. So this is my area of experience. Area of experience. Yes, in my whole career, 16 projects completed. 16 projects completed, 12 projects on Java, 4 projects on big data and Hadoop here. Yes, now currently it's 17th projects on Java. It's e-commerce projects. Currently e-commerce projects we are working here. So current working company, Siletech Private Limited, Hyderabad. Yes, my role in this company, principal Java full stack developer. Principal Java full stack developer. This is my role, right? Yes. So Monday and Tuesday work from office. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday work from home. Okay. So not in development, even training also very good experience. Development as well as training experience. Training also very good experience here. Yes, since yes, 7 to 8 years, I'm taking online classes. Apart from office work, taking online classes, evening and early morning. Evening one session and early morning one session taking care. Online classes, not only development experience, training also very good experience. Okay. Yes, I have good presentation skills, communication skills, and apart from that, very strong in technical skills. I'm very strong with Java, in depth of Java, Java development experience and training experience. Yeah, that's all about myself. lot of experience in development and training. Okay. Yes, about course information. Yes, your course is Java full stack. Simply we are calling it JFS, Java full stack developer. Java full stack. Your course is Java full stack. Yes, duration 6 months. 6 months duration here. Yes, this Java full stack starting with core Java. Course. So what is exactly Java full stack? See, let me explain about what is exactly Java full stack. Yes, of course, yesterday explained, even explained. I'll repeat once again. What is exactly Java full stack? Yeah. So what is exactly Java full stack? See, yes, it's a web application architecture. So web application means, yes, application which is running on the internet. Application which is running on the internet is a web application. Best example, Zoom. Zoom app, it's a web application. Zoom application, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, online shopping applications, online trading applications, next banking applications, all are web applications here. In web applications, there is a front end and back end. Front end, back end. So front end means here. So front end means it's a browser environment. Front end is a browser environment. So this is front end. Yes, let me show that front end. For example, here, yes, Zoom application. Zoom application. See, today you fill this form, right? Registration form and submit it, right? So this one is a front end. This form is a front end. This form is a front end. It's a front end, right? So that browser environment is a front end. Browser environment is a front end. It's a front end. So browser environment is a front end, right? Yes. Who are working on this front end like HTML, CSS, JavaScript? Who are working on these technologies? Is a UI developer, front end developer, front end developer. Next, when come to back end, here, this application database. Suppose front end registration form. So filling registration form. Suppose registration form field and submit it. Once submitted, simply our data, the registration data. Yes, from the browser, simply posting to application, application taking this data and storing database. And vice versa, fetching data from database and present to browser, right? This is what is happening in the web application. So this is front end browser to application, application database, next database to application, application to browser, that vice versa. Vice versa. So here this part is a front end. So there are front end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, React.js. Yes, these all are front end technologies. So who are working on this technology is a front end developer. Simply calling as UI developer, front end developer or UI developer. Next, when come to back end, in back end there are two roles: application developer, database developer. So back end application developer, back end database developer. Totally three roles. So in complete application, three roles. So one is front end developer, back end application developer, back end database developer. So there are three roles, right? See here. So front end developer. So front end developer role. Next back end application developer role, database developer role. So who are involving all three roles? Who are involving all three roles is a full stack developer. That's it here. Okay. So who are involving all three roles like front end development, next back end application development, yes, back end database development, yes, back end if it is Java, yes, back end if it is Java, then it's a Java full stack developer. Suppose if it is .NET, then .NET full stack developer. If it is Python, Python full stack developer. So for all full stack developers, database and front end is common. So front end database is common for all full stack developers here. Only change this one here. That application changes. That application may be anyone here. Front end and the database is same. No changes. Only change in the application here. So Java full stack developer completely work in Java. So here is a Java. Java. So it's a Java full stack developer. So Java full stack developer. Three roles. Three roles. So one is front end development. Next back end application development and back end database. Right? See here front end developer role. See Java full stack roles. Java full stack developer role. So first one front end developer role. Next application developer role. Database developer role. right? See, topics, your course content, front end. In front end, these are the topics we're going to discuss. Yes, UI technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax, Bootstrap. So these are front end technologies. We'll be covering in your syllabus. Next, when come to backend, in backend, this is Java parts and database parts. Backend Java and database, right? Java and database. So backend Java. So this is Java parts. And then database parts. Yes, in Java parts, core Java, next advanced Java like JDBC, Solids, JSP, JSTL, MEC, CRUD applications, advanced Java, next frameworks like JUnits, Log4j, Maven, yes, Hibernate, JDBC templates, Spring modules, yes, next Spring Boot, JPA, Spring Boot, MEC, yes, next microservices. So these are Java modules. Next, when come to development here, yes, development tools like Eclipse. So every day we are going to use Eclipse only. Yes, next Maven, it's a build tool, Git testing tool, Log4j logging tool, STS using for the framework application development. So these are the tools. So about Java modules. Okay, so Java. So this is Java coding part. This is tools. Tools to develop Java applications. Like database. When come database, Oracle database, SQL and PLC. So this is complete your syllabus. Complete your syllabus. So front end, Java parts and database. So front end. So these are front end topics here. Next, they are Java modules and its tools. Next, backend database. Yes, I'll share with you. This is, I think already yes, I shared with you. Yes. Yeah. Yes, I think you received this email with this content. Yes, even still, I'll share with you. Okay. So this is about Java full stack developer. Java full stack developer. Okay. So there are 3 roles in Java full stack developer. So total duration 6 months. So first initially starting with core Java. Starting with core Java. Yes, apart from this core Java here, parallelly you can learn yes database also. Parallelly, yes, core Java and database no relation. You can learn parallelly here. Database, text and UI part also you can learn parallelly here. But these things you can learn parallelly. Yes, if you're learning simultaneously here, you can reduce the time here. So within 4 months, you can finish. Just 4 months enough. If you're learning core Java, database, UI, and parallelly here, you can finish within yes 4 months only. Okay. So now here currently starting with core Java. So whenever database starting, Oracle database will inform you definitely. Yes, getting email. Okay, even getting messages also will inform. I will inform you. I'm responsible to inform everything here. So whenever database started, I'll inform you. So EA started, I'll inform you. Okay, so anyone have the time, more time, you can attend these 2 sessions also parallel here. If you have the time, if you have the time also, other sessions also time, then you can attend parallel these things. Suppose any working days don't have time, only one session. First finish core Java, next after that database, and next advanced Java. Yes. So one after another one means that will be taken for 6 months. One after another one that will be taken for 6 months. 6 months. Okay. If not possible, attend only one session. That case taken for 6 months. Suppose if you are attending parallelly, it will be taken for 4 months. 2 months you can save it. So first of all, starting with core Java. Core Java. Yes, the duration 60 days. Yes, 60 days. At any cost, I'll finish your core Java within 60 days. That is my committed time, sir. Never giving holidays. Only Sunday holiday. Only my committed time is like this. Never extending your course, never dragging course here. So committed time is committed time. So at any cost, within 60 days, I'll finish your course. Every day I will take it, class, except Sunday. 8 to 9:30 p.m. So 90 minutes class. See, most of the trainers taking only 45 minutes class. Only 45 minutes. Only 45 minutes and only 5 days in a week. But my class is 6 days. Yes, Monday to Saturday, 6 days week here. 6 days. I'll be taking 6 days in a week. Monday to Saturday, 6 days, and daily 90 minutes. Daily 90 minutes. Okay. So 60 days means around 50 to 53 classes, 55 sessions getting here. 65 days. Yes, 50. 5 sessions getting almost 55 sessions. Okay, 55 sessions getting 55 sessions into, so 90 minutes. So almost yes, around 90 hours getting. Your course around 90 hours. Totally 90 hours, around 90 hours. 90 hours. Okay. So time 8 to 9:30, it's a fixed one. No change in time here. It's a fixed one. So Monday to Saturday classes, 6 days in a week here. 3 demo sessions. Demo means free of cost. So demo, 3 days you can attend. You can see the demo here. Okay. Yes, not only attending demo classes, just you ask any of your friends joined in my previous batches. Just you ask them, everyone says excellent, then join into my course. Otherwise, no. You'll get excellent feedback, no doubts. MN Rao classes, excellent classes. You'll get that kind of feedback. Next, daily classes recordings will be shared to your Gmail ID. I think yesterday recording already got it. Yesterday recording, that link you got it. That link, that recording uploaded. Of course, so for these 3 to 4 classes, individually sharing that link. So once batch started, once batch formed, I'll create Google Drive. I'll get access to Google Drive. Yes, daily recordings will be shared to your Gmail ID through the Google Drive. I'll create Google Drive, then I'll get the access here. So drive through the drive is sharing here. Google Drive. Okay. Yes, Google Drive. Yes, you can get the videos and everything to the drive here. I'll give the drive access to the Google Drive. This daily class document, next daily coding, next interview questions. Yeah, there are many interview questions prepared. More than 300 questions I have prepared. Let me show the class document. Yes, your class document. Yes, let me show that class document. Here, this is your class document, updated document. Here, this is your class document. So this document for you only. These around 900 page document. This is 900 pages. Totally 900 pages document. This document for you only. So completely for you only. This document for you only. 915 page document. This document for you only here. Yes, I'll share with you. So running notes is not necessary. So what are things explaining in the class? Same thing you can see in the document here. See, my order of explanation, document order is same. Even single line also no mismatch. Every word, every line, everything very clearly prepared in document. Just you can follow document here. Yes, is an excellent document. Yeah, this kind of document you will not see anywhere. Yes, any Java websites, they will not provide this kind of a document. It completes my experience. I have prepared with my experience completely. Right? So this document, so this is most important document is coding. Yes, there are many programs in this document. 1 second. Let me show some coding also. See. So this is some coding. Yes, what are the programs prepared in this? Many programs prepared here. Coding this is. Many things have prepared here. Right? So the class document. Class documents, yes, with yes, around, yes, we can see 500 plus programs in this document. Right? Yes, next apart from this, 24/7 WhatsApp support also available. That WhatsApp support also available. Next, here core Java fees, course of fee just only 3,000 rupees. Yes, if it is Java full stack. Yes, if it is full stack fee. Yes, 15,000. Full stack fee 15,000. Course of only 3,000. So who are wanted to learn only courses, just you pay only 3,000 and you can continue. Right? After finishing course, anyone wanted to continue for full stack, you can continue. So that balance amount you can pay and continue here. So 3,000 balance amount, maybe 12,000, you can pay and continue that. So this is core Java fee, the full stack Java fee. That's it here. That's all about your course information. So duration, yes, core Java 60 days, full stack Java 6 months. 6 months. Okay, fine. Yes, core Java. In core Java, first 30 days, focus on coding skills. First 30 days, I'll be focusing on coding skills. So in coding skills, 100 plus programs for coding practice. I'll give the assignments also. In class itself, I'll explain here. So 100 plus to first 30 days, 100 plus programs I'll explain for coding practice. Yes, here, yes, building your logics, logic building. So how to improve your logic building, how to improve your coding skills, how to improve your thinking skills in software field, thinking skills in coding. Yes. So first to focus on this. First 30 days, focus on this. See, any developer need these skills here. Any developer, Java developer, Python developer, .NET developer. So whatever it is. See, every developer, even Salesforce developer also, every developer need this kind of skills. So they are skills required. So they are common to all kinds of developers. So first of all, you must have good coding skills. If you have the good coding skills, then you can work on any technology. So first of all, focus on coding skills. Once you're good at this one, then moving to Java Ops, Java object-oriented programming. Then string buffers. Next, exception handling, collections, IO streams, networking, multi-threading. So next coming to these things. Next, finally, Java 8 features. Here I am going to use Java 17. Yes, even for you also, I will share the Java 17 software. Java 17 software and Eclipse 2025. Recent latest softwares I'll share with you. Yes, here focus on these three versions. Java 8 versions here, Java 11, Java 17. Industry also, yes, looking for these kind of versions here. In our office, we are using Java 17. In our office, we are using Java 17. Okay. Yes, you need Java 8 features. Yes, most of the companies are asking for Java 8 features. It's mandatory. So here at the end, final classes, yes, focus on Java 8 features. Okay, right? So that's all about this core Java. Okay. Yes, next full stack syllabus already given. Okay. Yes, next, what is prerequisite to learn this course? What is prerequisites? Nothing required. I am not expecting anything from you guys. Non-IT students also can learn this one here. IT background is not necessary. IT background is not necessary. Non-IT guys, like electronics, civil, mechanical, maybe farmer backgrounds, maybe science backgrounds. Anyone can understand my classes easily here. Anyone can understand my class very easily. So my class is like a spoon feeding. I'll start from the basics. Before going to Java, there are some software basics. After finishing software basics, then I'll move to Java. See, here initially, yes, software basics. Starting software basics. See, first initially software, these are all software basics I'll explain. Like what is voice? So what is application software? What is system software? Next about languages, low level languages and high level languages. Next, about interpreter and compiler. Okay, next. Yes, next, introducing Java. So for before going to Java, so first of all, I'll explain about all the basics. After finishing that basics, I'll go to Java. So this is planned completely, right? Yeah. So that's all about this one here. That's all about introduction. Yes. About myself clear, about your course clear here, course content clear here. Okay. Yes. Next, prerequisites, nothing required. Next, so demo sessions, 3 demo sessions you can take it here. No issue. I'm not a commercial. Take your own time to decide it here. Okay. So 3 days minimum providing. No issue. So this week you can attend at free of cost. You can decide it. Okay. After 3 or 4 days, you can decide it. No issue. Right. I'm not a commercial. So take your own time. Right. Yeah. So this is day one session. 1 second. So what are the promised on day one? I'll share with you. Yeah, full stack. Day one. Next, one more thing here. Yes, I have prepared many interview questions. Interview questions. Document I'll share with you. Not only document here. Yes, even I'll share with you. Yes, recordings also. Interview oriented preparation. The recordings. Interview questions. Yeah, just 3 minutes videos, 5 minutes videos. Those videos also I'll share with you. Yes, only for interview questions purpose. I have created one YouTube channel. I'll share that everything. Many followers are there presently here. I'll share with you that interview questions. So daily 4 to 5 questions I'll share with you. 3 to 5 minutes video I'll share with you. Interview questions apart from the daily classes. Okay, fine. Yes, now let us start date today. Date. I hope you understand is right. These are clear, right? I hope everyone is clear information about myself, about your course contents, and everything is clear, right? Everything is clear. Okay. Yeah. So a lot of experience in training as well as development also. I am not a commercial. So any point of time you can contact me. Any point of time you can contact me. So here for this 24/7 WhatsApp support is available. 24/7 that support is available. Yes, 24/7 that support is available. So any point of time you can ping me. Suppose in coding, getting any issues, that issues just share the code in group here. I'll solve it. I'll solve it. Okay, fine. Yes, 1 second. Sorry. So DTS and about Java. So what is Java? So about Java history. So why Java has this much of popularity? Yes. What is present position of Java? What is future of Java? So this is about today's agenda. Today's agenda. Let us start. So first of all, what is Java? Yes, guys. Anyone can answer this question? What is Java? So what is your idea about Java? Yes, anyone please? Of course, I'll explain. What is your idea about Java? What do you think about Java? Anyone idea? What do you think about Java? What is exactly Java? Of course, I'll explain clearly. I'm asking your idea. Yes, Steven, saying something? Hello. Akshay Kumar talking something?
Yes, sir. Java is a object-oriented programming language.
Okay, good. Java is a object-oriented programming language. Okay, fine. Next, others. Just I'm asking about your idea about Java. Of course, I'll explain clearly. Yes, any others? So here one answer is Java is an OOP language. And next, others.
Like Java
Anyone
is
others?
like Java is used to build like software applications, web
Yes,
app,
Java is the
mobile
application
app,
software.
like
Okay,
it's like an enterprise system level.
okay, fine. And next, yeah, see, many answers. Java is a high-level language. Java is a programming language, right? So Java is hoop language. Yes, they like that. There are many answers, right? So exactly what is Java? So exactly what is Java? Simple answer. See, when you attending interviews, your first question they will ask what is Java. Simple answer. Simple answer. Java, yes, is an yes hoop language. Simple answer. Java is an hoop language. So what is hoop here? Hoop stands for object oriented programming. Object oriented programming. OOP stands for object oriented programming. So Java is one of the OOP languages. There are many OOP languages like C++, Python, Java, .NET, C Sharp, Scala like that. There are many OOP languages. There are many OOP languages. So Java is one of the OOP languages. Java is one of the OOP language. So what is Java means? Java is an OOP language. OOP stands for Object Oriented Programming Language. Okay, so what is OOP? Later we'll discuss. Later we'll see. Yes, now let us say about Java history. About Java history. So next one about Java history. JDK. Yes, it's a Java software. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Here JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Yes, it's a Java software. It's a Java software. Yes, JDK is a Java software, Java Development Kit. Right? See, initially Java development. Initially Java development started by James Gosling. So initially Java development started with James Gosling. So James Gosling is an author of Java. Yes, next question, who is author of Java? James Gosling. So James Gosling is an author of Java. James Gosling is an author. James Gosling is an author of Java. So who is author of Java? Which James Gosling is an author of Java. Okay. So 1 second. Yes. So James Gosling is an author of Java. Right. So later, yes, Java is taken over by Sun Microsystems USA. Sun Microsystems USA. And released as Sun Java. So initially it's a Sun Java. Released as Sun Java. Yes. So James Gosling is an author of Java. So later Java taken over by Sun Microsystems USA. So initially released as Sun Java. Next in the year 2010, yes, this Sun Microsystems, this company taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Okay, Sun Microsystems, this company, yes, in the year 2010, Sun Microsystems taken over by Oracle Corporation. Now it is calling as Oracle Java. Now it is Oracle Java. Now it's calling as Oracle Java. Now it's a Oracle Java. Okay, right? Yes, let us see that complete history from beginning to today history. So initially Java development started with James Gosling. So James Gosling is an author of Java. Okay. Yes. So first version of Java, JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java. First version. Yes, JDK 1.0 is the first version of Java. 1 second. Yeah. Just a minute. Let us continue. Yeah. So JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java. Released in the year 1996. So first JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java released in the year 1996. So before that, 1995, alpha and beta versions. Java alpha and beta versions. Beta versions is released in the year 1995. So initially 1995 released here, alpha and beta versions. Alpha and beta versions means, so they are internal release. So here alpha version is first tested version. Alpha means, yes, alpha version. Alpha version means first tested version. Alpha version is a first tested version. See, any product, software product, maybe even you developing project also, these are alpha versions and beta versions. You're suppose working for the client here. So even your projects also, Java projects also alpha and beta versions. So alpha is a first tested version. First tested version. First tested version. First tested version. Next beta. So beta version is a final tested version. Final tested version. See that end-to-end development I'll explain. End-to-end project life cycle is like agile methodology. I'll explain agile methodology end-to-end project development agile methodology. I will explain in your course. I'll cover agile methodology, how that versioning will be there, and all that I'll explain agile methodology very clearly. I'll explain agile methodology. Agile methodology I'll explain in project development. Yes, agile methodology. This I'll explain. Agile methodology I'll explain here. So end-to-end project development, end-to-end, all the phase of projects, agile methodology I'll explain very clearly. Even we are following agile methodology. Yes, since 2017 we are following this methodology. 2017. Since 2017 we are following agile methodology. Same I'll explain for you. Right? Okay, fine. So alpha and beta versions, they are 1995. So alpha version is a first tested version. Beta version is a final tested version. Final tested version. So before going to release to public, final tested version. So 1.0, not with Java, any projects, yes, or any product, first version is 1.0. 1.0 is a public release. Yes, first version of Java, yes, released to public, released to public, released to public in the year 1996. So 1995 initial versions, alpha and beta versions here. 1996 is a JDK 1.0. JDK 1 first version of Java in the year JDK 1.0, right? So first version JDK 1.0, JDK 1.0 released, yes, released with below features, that initial features, Java initial features. Yes. So this is one of the important question. Can you explain about initial features of Java? Initial first release. What are the initial features of Java? Initial features. So first one, independent of platform. Java is an independent of platform. So they are initial features of Java. Yes, one of the important question this is. So can you tell me what are the initial features of Java? So what are the initial features of Java? So first one, independent of platform. Independent of platform. Okay. So here every question I have prepared. Yes, interview questions also I have prepared here. Questions and videos. Lot of stuff is there. 1 second. Yes, interview questions. See, can you explain about initial features of Java? Like these questions, around 300 questions I have prepared. 300 questions I have prepared, I'll explain for you. So topic wise, I'll explain all these questions. Questions, even videos also I'll share with you. Every question, 300 videos available. I'll share with you all that. So independent of platform. Yes, apart from interview videos, daily class video also. Now it's currently recording. That video recording, this recording also will be shared with you. So independent of platform. Next up, portability. Independent of platform, portability. Next, Java is an OOP language. Java is an OOP language. Java is an OOP language. And then scalability. Scalability. Next, fifth one, security. Security. So these are initial features of Java. Later, many changes. Yes, next thing, what are the other features also we'll discuss. So these are initial features of Java here. Initial features at the beginning. JDK 1.0 released with these features: independent of platform, portability, next group language, scalability, and security. Yes, about these features we'll discuss in Java. Once you started Java, that time I'll explain here. After starting Java, I'll explain. So what is independent of platform? How Java made us independent of platform? Next, what is portability? What is advantage of portability? Next, group language. All these features I'll explain Java. So once enter into Java, I'll explain very clearly. That's the JDK 1.0. So next one is JDK 1.1. So this is near 1997. Here, this is near 1997. In JDK 1.1, so what happened here? JDK 1.1 divided. So this one divided into, yes, three editions. Three editions. Initially only three editions. Actually, totally four editions. Totally four editions, but initially only three. Initially only three editions here. Okay, so JDK 1.1 divided into three editions. So these three editions. So first one, yes, Java SE, JSE, Java SE, Java Standard Edition, Java Standard Edition, JSE, Java SE, Java Standard Edition, and next JEE with Java Enterprise Edition. So next one is Java Enterprise Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, right? GE, Java Enterprise Edition, and next JME, yes, Java Micro Edition. So these are initially only three editions. Later fourth one added. We'll discuss that also. Yes. So JDK 1.1 divided into three editions here. So first one Java Standard Edition. Next one Java Enterprise Edition. Next Java Micro Editions. So what are these editions? I'll explain clearly. Okay, in couple of minutes I'll explain it. So 1.1. After 1.1 Java is JDK 1.2 version. Next JDK, yes, 1.3 version. Next JDK 1.4 version. Next JDK, so 1.5. From JDK 1.5 calling us Java 5. That naming changed. Java 5. Next Java 6. Next Java 7. Yes, Java 8. Java 9. Like this. Java 9. Yes, up to Java 22 also released, but not in use here. All these versions not in use here. Industry using Java 8 version. Yes, some companies are using Java 11 and some companies using Java 17. Yes, in our company, we are using Java 17. Silitech Private Limited. In our office, we are using Java 17. Java 17. Okay, so here our main focus on Java 8 features. Most of the companies asking for Java 8 features, most important Java 8 features. Okay, so every company using Java 8. So Java 11, 17 rare scenario. 11, 17 rare scenario. Of course, we'll focus on all these three versions here. Okay, yes, you are going to learn with Java 17 here. Yes, I'll share with you that soft Java 17. JDK 17 version I'll share with you. JDK 17 and Eclipse, latest Eclipse, 2025 Eclipse on JDK 17 we are going to use. Okay, yeah, fine. Next is out of all this here, Java 5 is most important version. Java 5 is called as Tiger version. So this version is called as Tiger version. Tiger version. Called as Tiger version. Yes, released. Released in year 2004. 2004. Yes, it's a most important version. So many features added. Many features added. Yes, including fourth edition. Including fourth edition Java FX. Java FX.
One doubt, sir.
JFX. Java FX, including Java FX. Java FX. This is with JDK, yes, 1.5. With Java 5, Java got success. Yes, Java got the success. So with Java 5, it got the success. Finally, it got the success. Yes, with Java 5, it got the success. Okay. See, 90s periods, Microsoft, yes, most popular. 90s period, Microsoft, most popular, even most popular. So finally, Java got the success. Yes, 2004. So when first release here, 1996, right? First release 1996. Finally got the success in 2004. Means almost it was taken for 8 years. It was taken for 8 years to become success, right? So because of Microsoft, most popular. In 90s period, Microsoft most popular. Yes, after 2004, Java got the popularity. Now Java has lot of popularity compared to any other software. Java has lot of popularity. What's the reason? That reasons also I'll explain here. Okay, right? So finally here, finally, Java divided. Finally, Java divided into four editions. Four editions. Finally, Java divided into four editions here. So these three: Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Migration, and fourth one, Java FX. Fourth one, JFX, Java FX, Java FX. Now let us see one by one here. So first one, Java Standard Edition. Next one, Java Enterprise Edition, and next Migration and Java FX here. Let us see first one. What is Java Standard Edition? Java Standard Edition. Java Standard Edition. Yes, it's a completely Java technology. It's a Java technology. It's a Java technology. Just learning Java technology. It's a Java technology. Yes, core Java means our syllabus. So core Java, our syllabus comes under Java Standard Edition, JAC. So core Java, right? Yes, core Java and Java coding, just coding. So learning Java coding and Java technology, core Java and Java coding, all these things comes under Java Standard Edition. So these are our syllabus. So you are going to learn in core Java, you are going to learn about Java Standard Edition. Just here learning Java coding. So core Java and Java coding skills and all that, including groups, concepts, and all that here. That is Java Standard Edition. Right? Of learning coding. Next for application development. Yes, enterprise edition. This is for application development. So next one is enterprise edition. This is for application. So the enterprise edition is for application development. For application. For application development. For application development. Sorry. For application development. So this is for application development. Application development. Applications apps. See, in our daily life, we are using many applications, right? In our daily life, we are using many applications. See, in your mobile, there are many applications, right? Just check your mobile. There are many applications. Which is mostly used application in your mobile? Which is mostly used application in your mobile? Anyone, please?
Like YouTube, Chrome.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, tell me, which is mostly used application in your mobile?
Like YouTube, phone app, Chrome.
WhatsApp, right?
Mm.
Simple answer. WhatsApp. It's application. WhatsApp. It's a mostly used application. WhatsApp. Okay. See, with WhatsApp, yes, communication has become very simple nowadays. Using WhatsApp, we are communicating. Instead of calling somebody, simply we are giving messages, right? It has become simple. Our communication has become simple. So WhatsApp, Facebook, Facebook, Twitter, Twitter. Next, online trading applications. Yes, online trading apps, online trading applications. Next, banking applications. So these are applications, banking apps, right? Banking apps, Zoom application, Zoom app, right? Okay. Like there are many applications. Yeah, this kind of applications we can develop using enterprise edition. It's application development. First, learning code. Yes, in core Java, Java standard edition, here you have to learn Java coding. So once you good at Java coding, then moving to enterprise edition. Yes, it's a Java application development. Yes, directly developing application using framework. So first learning coding in core Java, after learning here. Next, application development starts here, right? In this, yes. Yes, a full stack is nothing but, yes, like advanced Java and frameworks. Advanced Java and frameworks. What is frameworks? I'll explain. So advanced Java and framework comes under enterprise editions. So these are using for the application development. Okay, so here Java standard edition, just learning Java code and technology of learning all this here. Next, moving to enterprise edition for the purpose of application development. So this is for application development. This kind of applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, yes, online trading applications, e-commerce applications, like that many applications, right? To develop that kind of applications, we can use enterprise edition. So here advanced Java frameworks comes under enterprise edition. So what is framework? We'll discuss in couple of minutes. I'll explain. In couple of minutes, I'll explain here. So enterprise edition. Next, Java micro edition. Java micro edition. So what is Java micro edition? So micro edition or mobile edition also you can say. So this is for mobile application. So this is for mobile application development. So it's a mobile application development. Mobile application, yes, mobile apps. So mobile application development. So generally here for mobile applications, mostly used one is Android. Android recommended. So Android recommended. Android, yes, it's a core Java based. Android is a core Java based. Yes, it's a core Java. If you good at core Java, you can work on Android here. If you good at core Java, you can work on Android. It's very simple, easy to work here. So Android completely core Java based. So for mobile application development, Android is recommended. For this migration we are using here. So you guys don't worry about micro edition. So need not to learn it. It's not necessary to learn it. Leave it. So next one, JavaFX, JFX, JavaFX. So this is for visual effects. Visual effects. Visual effects. Yes, visual effects in movies, right? In movies. Okay, nowadays most of film industry using visual effects only here. Visual effects. Okay. Yes, most of the film directors they are using visual effects rather than physical, yes, shooting, right? So simply most of the, yes, directors and producers they are using visual effects only here. VFX, right? Yes, best example. Yes, see, best example Avatar 1 and 2, right? So 1 and 2. James Cameron movies. James Cameron. James Cameron is a world number one director. Yes, always we'll prefer visual effects. Avatar 1 and 2. Next, like Avengers. Avengers. Next, Titanic ship. The Titanic, right? Titanic ship movie. That movie also same James Cameron. Yes, Avengers. Yes, like Indian movies, uh, like Indian movies. Bahubali 1 and 2, right? Bahubali 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Next, Tribular. So they are using visual effects, right? Yes, for this purpose, Java effects, but it's nowhere using here. Now, currently, film industry using, yes, Adobe Premiere, Adobe Premiere. Film industry using Adobe Premiere. Even I have the knowledge of Premiere also. This is I have the editing experience also. Even I'll do editing also. Yes, many editing tools I learned. Even I have the editing experience also. Even sometimes I used to edit some recordings. Okay. Yes, taking some raw data and editing, okay, with composing some music and editing and all that. I'm doing that. That part also I have experience. Okay, sometimes. So whenever I get the time, yes, I used to take some, yes, some videos. I will do some editing. Okay, yes. So that Adobe Premiere. So this is recommended. Industry. Nowadays, AI tools are also using for the editing. AI tools. So what are the AI tools are using for editing? That also I'll show. One day I'll show. Okay, AI tools knowledge. I have very good experience with AI tools also. Just one day I'll show that AI tools. Okay, what are the AI tools? List of AI tools. Okay, I'll give the list of AI tools. Just one day class I'll take on AI tools. No worry. AI. Presently here AI for the editing purpose. Okay, yeah. So these are the different editions in Java here. Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise, Micro and FXS. So last two not necessary here. Only these two things we are using Java. Just you have to focus on Java Standard Edition and Java Enterprise Edition. Others not necessary. Suppose who are learning only core Java, for them this is enough. First one is enough here. After learning core Java, we can go to some different tools, Java-based tools. We have many tools in the market like Android, Salesforce, Selenium. Like there are many Java tools, SAP tools. Okay, next ticketing tools. There are many tools are there, Java-based tools. After learning core Java, you can go to Java-based tools also. Right? Fine. Yes, now let us see about Java Standard Edition, next Enterprise Edition. So here it's a frameworks, right? Yes. Hardware and frameworks. So what is exactly frameworks? Java frameworks. Let us see what is frameworks here. What is a framework? Framework, it's a ready-made one. Yes, is a yes. Ready-made architecture. Ready-made one. Yes. Ready-made one and ready to use. Ready to use. Ready to use. Yes, it contains all predefined services. Okay. So all predefined using framework here, we can avoid the coding. Coding is not necessary. Yes, what is exactly framework? I'll tell you very clearly. It's ready-made one and ready to use. Okay. Yes, it contains all predefined services. Yes, it contains all predefined, all predefined services. Services. See, I'll tell you what is exactly framework here. Yes, it contains all predefined components. Services are components. Anyone you can say it, components. Components. There are predefined components. Means ready-made architecture is ready-made architecture. In framework, 80% of code. Yes, 80% of code already developed here. 80% of codes already developed. Already developed. Just we are going to develop only 20% of application codes. When you're developing any application, so 80% of code already developed. That's a predefined components. Predefined components already available. Predefined components available. Suppose, for example, database coding. So predefined components available. Emails, all these predefined components available. Yes, using the predefined components, you can build the applications, right? Yes, you can take. Yes, we can take predefined components. Yes, taking the components, and plug into projects. Plug in into plug in plug in plug in into projects. Projects and build the application. Plug in into projects and build application here. Yes, it's very simple, easy to build the application. I'll tell you one best example for the frameworks here. For example, here, yes, nowadays bridges construction, simple example, some real-time example, bridges construction. So what is happening nowadays here? Nowadays, no construction company constructing, yes, bridges physically. So what they are doing here? So first of all, simply just they will raise the pillars. Just raising pillars initially here. Of raising pillars, yes. Next, what they are doing here, on top of pillars, simply they are assembling logs. On top of on top of pillars, just assembling blocks, right? Assembling blocks. See, ready-made blocks available nowadays. Just simply they are assembling blocks here. Simply bringing blocks and assembling simply. Okay, so on top of pillars, assembling blocks. Readily available. Just raising only pillars. To raise the pillars also they are using machinery. No one is going for manually. Machinery and everything is available. So within a short time raising pillars, on top of pillars here, simply assembling blocks. Simply are bringing blocks, assembling blocks. So framework is nothing but just like assembling blocks, ready-made blocks. Next, one more example here. Ready-made houses, right? Ready-made houses. Nowadays, many ready-made houses available here. Ready-made houses. Yes, in ready-made houses, that walls, doors, ceiling, flooring, everything is readily available. Just assembling all that components of the house here. Just assembling, right? Yes, it will take so 2 to 3 days enough. Yes. So constructing house just 2 to 3 days enough because all ready-made components available, like ready-made walls available, ceiling available, doors available, windows available, next electrical fittings and everything is readily available. Simply are bringing all of these things, just assembling within 3 or 4 days. Just assembling within, yes, within 3 to 4 days. Within 3 to 4 days, right? 4 days. Framework also exactly the same thing here. In framework also there are predefined components available. Coding is not necessary. So previously we used to write the coding. Nowadays coding is not necessary. So without writing coding, you can develop the application. That is advantage of frameworks here. So frameworks, see frameworks, advantage. Advantage of frameworks here. Yes, we can reduce the coding. So much coding is not necessary. Simple coding is enough. Much coding is not necessary. So we can reduce the coding. So frameworks main advantage, we can reduce the coding. We can reduce the coding. Right? If you able to reduce the coding, then what happens here? Yes, in a short period, we can finish the application, right? Yes, in a short period. Yes, we can, yes, we can develop, we can develop app. Yes, in a short period. Short period. We can develop application in a short period. Short period. Right? Yes, not in a short period, not a reducing code. Even small team also can build the big applications. Small team also. That means we can reduce expenditure here. We can reduce expenditure. We can reduce expenditure. Expenditure, right? Not only reducing expenditure, we can deliver the quality product also. Frameworks, ready-made one. Frameworks developed by the experts. Since frameworks developed by the experts here, expert is coding, right? So quality products means suppose if application developed by some freshers or inexperienced persons, what happens? Lot of bugs getting in production environment, so getting lot of bugs. Suppose if it by the experienced people, you project by the experienced, then bugs are very less. In production environment, bugs are very less. You see quality product. Okay, so we can deliver quality product here. We can deliver. So we can deliver quality products. Quality products. Quality products. So we can deliver quality products. So what is generally client expectations? Most of the client expectations. Client expectations. Most of the client expectations. So quality products, every client expecting for first of all quality, right? They need quality products. Otherwise loss of business. Quality products. Okay, right? Yes, with less cost. Yes, with less cost. Less cost in a short period, right? In short period. In short period. So there are client expectations. Quality products with less cost in a short period. See, nowadays most of the clients are expecting projects within 1 week also. Yes, even recently we got some requirements within 1 week. E-commerce projects. Yes, already we have some e-commerce projects in our company. So just to simply we have modified, we have customized. We have customized and delivered to them. Yes, most of the clients nowadays they're asking within week. Within a week, they're asking to deliver. Some clients are giving 1 month time. Some clients are giving 2 to 3 months of time. So maximum 3 months only we are getting nowadays time here. So previously we had 6 months, 1 year time. But nowadays most of the clients are expecting within a week. Okay, so within a week we can deliver using frameworks. So within yes, just 1 week enough to finish application or using frameworks. That is the advantage of frameworks here. Okay, so we can reduce the coding. Much coding is not necessary. Next, short period, 1 week, we can finish application development. Next, we can reduce expenditure also. Next, we can deliver the quality products. That is the advantage of frameworks. So this is about framework. So this is complete Java overview. I hope you understand, right? So Java standardization, enterprise Java standardization, just learning Java technology, completely Java technology. Java enterprise edition, this is application development, advanced and frameworks. So what is framework? Explain very clearly. So framework is ready-made architecture. Yes, it's a predefined components. The predefined components you can plug into project, you can build a project within a short time here. Yes, like bridges construction, ready-made as is. Simply exact like a framework here. Yeah, that's all about. So this is Java overview. I hope you understand, right? Yes. Let me save this one. Day 2, day 1, day 2. Yeah, I'll share with you. Yes. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Yeah. So
Sir, presently we are using Java 8 and 11 now, sir.
Java 17. I'll explain Java 7. I'm using Java 7. Most of the companies are using Java 8 only still.
Okay.
Java 8 and some companies rarely using Java 11 and 17. But in our company, in our office, we are using Java 17. So I'm going to use Java 17 in your classes.
Okay.
In your classes, I'll be using Java 17. Okay, right? Fine. Yes. Tomorrow also same time. No change in time. Till end of the batch, same time. Same time, same link. Same time.
Sir, yesterday's recording we didn't receive, sir. Can you share it?
Yesterday recording. I think
No.
we'll get maybe receiving email that recording.
No, sir. Actually, we didn't receive the email. Can you
Yes,
share
I'll
here?
inform the online team.
Okay, sir.
I'll inform online. They will send. They will be sending to your email. Yes. Otherwise, do one thing.
Okay, sir.